Are you ready for another Roblox video? This is after, if it will be uploaded if I get 5 likes, because I didn't. I did a video on imposters on Roblox and on Among Us on Roblox, and I don't know, and I like it. Yeah, I did that. So if this one gets uploaded, like if it gets enough stuff, it will be uploaded. So I have a lot of games to play, like this amazing game that is beautiful because it's fun. Of course, I have all the gears in here. I can easily teleport to the thing, but I don't want to do that. I want to ride the train now. I want to ride the train. Woo. So fun. I really, stop. You jerk. You try to kick, yeah, stop. No, that's not even a good place. It's like right here is where you're supposed to go. And you're supposed to survive through a black hole. And you get all these little gadgets that are cool. Alright, this should work, I think. Yeah. No. It threw me off. I'm sorry with myself. I skipped my death. Now I will try again. See, right here it throws you, but sometimes it throws you too hard and you go over it. And I didn't think I'd get thrown hard enough, but it makes sense once you get closer. So you basically have to have a lot of logic. For some reason I always look down, so it's like, when I'm on ROBLOX I look down, and I don't know why. So sit and wait and hope that it doesn't throw me off again. It was pretty close, you gotta give me that. And if there was a badge on this game, I'd get it. But, then he would play. Why? I'm really done with this game. Can I move on to a different game? It's like 2 minutes. Can I do that? I was gonna do I have a lot of videos planned, but I can just stop this game. I've soiled myself once again. No, the train's leaving. That's it. Full running capacity. That's it. No. You wanna I'm going in here. Okay. No. I hate when he does this. I don't care. I don't want to. Yes, I don't care. God, he always does this to children. It's little children who want to play. No, I'm not a child. Little children do this. So 3 minutes. Okay. Go. Just gotta wait a second, because some of these people broke it. See, that's what I'm talking about. You gotta do it right. Like this. Yes, I did it. Yeah, it's stuck because of that thing. Look at this. Gotta wait till it goes. Oh, I hate this so much. It went. Okay. Please don't crash. Now I'm gonna run it into this thing. I'm gonna run it into the side of the mountain. Look. It's about to hit. It's touching. Alright, if I jump out now, will it break? How did it break? And how am I supposed to get back? Ugh. I could have jumped. Why? The train is here again. Here. I'm gonna stand right here, Mr. Junk Bug Green thing. Wow. Oh my god. Why is he glitching so much? Is he lagging? Why is he lagging like that? Who lags like that? He looks like he's Superman and he's just trapped in. That was the worst. That is the most disturbing. I'm just gonna act like these people are normal. No. I gotta stay on the black part. Yo, please. Yo. Swear to God. Goodbye. There we go. Alright, this time, I'm gonna get one of them. Wish you could. Alright, we gotta wait again. I have soiled myself. It broke. Why did it break? I hate this stupid little game. It's for noobs. It's for noobs. Ugh. Wait again. The engine fell out this time. Stop. I hate Pepper Pig. I hate Pepper Pig so much. I don't like this anymore. I'm in a black void and I don't like it. So, I'm gonna go with people again. Oh my God. I'm a soil myself. I am soiled on the ground. I can't believe I teleported back here. That is just a new for me. Little old me. You wanna see running fast, son? I'm a magical. I'm a magical man. Oh no. Stop. Yeah, right here. My name is Noah and I eat turds. Do I run fast? No. No one can run fast in this world except the master train. This train will lead us to death. I made it this time. I'm the only one who's ever made it. Alright. I'm the only one who has ever made it in my life. It is insanely hard to make that. Let's go up here and do this. I love how fast I'm walking, but it's hard to get in these things. Yo, help, a feller. Whoa, I'm a parkour. I am staring at an abyss. Yo. Honestly, hold on. I feel like people made it. What is all this destruction? God. I'm nervous. I don't like it here. Yo, I got a friend request. I already have two. I have too many friends on. That's almost max. I'm not like. It's just max. No. God, no. I gotta record it. Oh, I'm recording. I thought it was paused. No. Stop. No. I'm gonna die. This is what's come of me. This is what's come of my wings. No. No. What if I have running powers? I don't like Peppa Pig. She's gay.
Did you just
Alrighty, I want to make this video to exactly 10 minutes. So until then, you're gonna stare at this black hole for a million giant little years. I really want to play Among Us again. So if you want to me to play Among Us, then like this video. Like the fucking video now, or I will come and murder you. I mean, I will not murder you. I will give you cookies and milk and a side of eggnog with whatever Rick said. My booty hole is brown. Oh, hey man, bruh, no, hey, that's chill, no cap. Pull me down. pulled me down. That's better. I meant to say, oh, it's past 10 minutes. I don't want it to be past 10 minutes. We can make it 11 minutes, but that would suck. Be doing this game so long, spin around and make jokes. Okay, well, if you're new, then like, subscribe, and goodbye. And I hope you like this video. So peace out. And I will jump off. Ready? Wee. I'm dead. But now I'm gonna come back to life. Oh, I'm still not done with this video. I gotta teleport back. Watch this. Spinning around. Oh, okay, guys. Well, y'all are doing whatever you're doing. I'm gonna be riding the train. So yeah. When this turn goes, I'm gonna make the video stop. Oh my God. Why is his name Heism? Okay, goodbye.